Alam mo ba, ang mga mayayaman naghahanda in case of death? Hindi dahil takot sila, pero dahil ayaw nilang masayang lahat ang pinaghirapan nila. Ang sakit isipin, pero maraming Pilipino ang wala pa ring life insurance. Pag may nangyari, ang pamilya naiwan may utang. Yung anak, hindi makapag-aral. Yung bahay, minsan nabebenta. All because walang napaghandaan. Pero alam mo ba, habang tayo ay busy sa pag-ipon para sa ating travel o kaya naman pang tuition, ang mga mayayaman may plan na. Hindi lang pang buhay, kundi in case of death. Bakit? Kasi ayaw nilang mapunta sa wala lahat ng pinaghirapan nila. Hindi lang sila insured. They are strategically prepared. Here's how the rich use life insurance as a wealth tool. Number 1, sa estate planning. Life insurance equals tax-free cash pangbayad ng estate tax. Hindi kailangang ibenta ang bahay at lupa. Second, tax-free wealth transfer. Insurance proceeds go straight to heirs. Hindi kasama sa estate tax kung maayos ang structure. Third is asset protection. Some policies protect the cash values from creditors. Perfect for business owners at legal risk. Fourth is business continuity. These are buy and sell agreements funded by insurance, key person or key man insurance for top executives, and then your business keeps going kahit may mawalan. Fifth is tax advantage growth. Yung VUL or whole life policy, pwedeng palaguin ng pera tax deferred with optional loans when needed. If you're financially stable now, may ipon, negosyo, or property, it's time to go beyond just coverage. Let's create a plan na hindi lang pang emergency, yung pang legacy. Message me and let's make your wealth last and work smarter.